Great honor and pride to be able to present this to you for the first time. And we have worked together with different people to create a project that will live on beyond 2021. It's our gift to the Cebuanos. And this is a project that actually was started by several architects and urban planners since 1997. And this is called the Heritage Walk. I'll present this to you. Okay, so this is a map of the old part of Cebu, and these are our tourist attractions. Of course, there's Fort San Pedro, Malacanang sa Cebu, Gotiauco Building, okay, which is now going to be the Chinese Museum. The Malacanang Cebu is going to be our national museum. There's City Hall, of course, Magellan's Cross, the Cathedral Museum, Plaza Humabon, Colon, our Heritage of Cebu Monument, the Yap San Diego Ancestral House, and Casa Gorordo. And so what we plan to do is to link all of these and to create a walk, okay, which starts at Fort San Pedro. And actually the DOT has informed us that this is the route that the guides actually take them. So it starts there and it continues all the way, it ends at Casa Gorordo. So our project will be now to beautify, and to create this. Can we stay on that slide, the previous slide, please? Our project is to now take this route and study it and create a walking tour. And the plan is, Regional Director Shalimar Tamano had said that it's too hot for our tourists to actually visit the churches in the daytime. So they would like to visit it at night, to walk these sites at night. So our plan is to close this road, this pedestrian road, at night. And thank you for the Archdiocese for agreeing to open the churches in the evening. And this will, hopefully, this will be finished before 2021 and will remain like that forever. And so, R.D. Tamano had said that in fact, after the beaches during the daytime, the tourists have nowhere to go. And so it's time for them to come to this old part and explore all the churches and all these sites. Because the evening, where it's cool, is the best time to visit them. And so what we plan to do with a group of architects, they're all doing this, they're all volunteers. We've actually been working for this since 1997 and trying to seek an ordinance to declare this a historic place, with certain restrictions, how to build, what the buildings must look like. And because of the politics in our city, this has never been passed. And so we hopefully want to bring this ordinance back. So what are we going to do with this walk? We want to make it like the streets that you see in Europe. Next slide. Some examples of pedestrian streets that we want to pave it with cobblestones. We want to we want to put proper street lighting, try to open up the sidewalks, and bring back life into the old part of Cebu. Just other examples. These are all streets that are closed from traffic. Continue. Yeah. So we will be gathering, we're actually meeting together with all the original proponents of this, Architect Joy Ozawa, Architect Yumi Espina, Architect Elba Hava, their previous urban planners who used to work with the city government, our traffic experts, and we met, in fact, here last week, thanks to Edmond, who graciously hosted us here. And so we're keeping on developing this, trying to see. Okay, next slide. Yeah, I think the most challenging part there would be to cross that from the Malacanang sa Cebu across, right? Because that's where the entrance to the SRP is. So there we probably have to do some elevated walkway. Of course, a beautiful one that we will design to allow to cross. There are other plans also, like to pedestrianize Calle Magallanes. So our people can now go from the Plaza Independencia and walk straight to Magellan's Cross. Okay, so this is the first time that this has been presented formally, and we got the go signal from TIESA they're willing to fund this. So they're just waiting for our proposal. So we have all the elements in place to make this a reality. Thank you very much.